morning, my cuzzies. It's me, Buster Cuz, back at it again on another amazing adventure. Today, we're doing some mahi at the farm. Get the treats. Oake tātou. Oh, check it out. This is Puti, the nanekoti. Oh, sorry, Wantakai. Here we go. Oh, yeah. Eat him up, eat him up, eat him up. You like a little squidge, don't you? Oh, he's got big ears. One of the jobs you have to do on the farm is feed the whānau. Come here, whānau. Come here, my mate. And you too, hey. Everyone gets a kite. Share it around. All right, we got some more jobs to do. Hey, I'll see you soon. Oh, check it out, my cuzzies. Ko Honey tēnei. She is a beautiful hoiho. Mwah, mwah, mwah. The thing about hoihos, though, is you have to pick up their doo-doo. Ooh, last job of the day, move some hay. Yeah. Oh, that was a big day of mahi on the farm. Oh, I need a rest. Ka kite anō, whānau.